Hello there, Professor Yuling. This is Cynthia McCurry here. Oh, and I got my mic more. Oh, forgive me. I think I have my thing on too loud. But I have my mic working now, thankfully. Just let me. There we go. So I'll try to make sure I'm like working from the English, like you said. Just let me pull it up. I will try to make sure to work from the English, but I do have like reference copies of these problems on hand just in case I need them. Because you know how easily I could get stuck. I just want to say that for full transparency's sake. Anyways, without further delay, let's get started. First, I'm going to put using name. Oh, yeah, I should probably look at what my. Okay. A program that writes free edges for a triangle computes the parameter if the input is valid, or lie displayed that the input is invalid. The input is valid if the sum of over two pairs greater. Alright, that's our thing. Please enter your first edge. I'm just going to start by doing that. Making integers. Actually, I should probably go ahead to the first. I make the for the edges of the triangle. Like this is the easy part. Enter your oh, forgive me. This is supposed to be third edge, not second edge. Enter your third edge. Now what's up with this? Oh yeah, I forgot about it. See, in front of integer. My bad. I do have a little drink with me, and you know, sip on while I'm working on this. All right. Now, where's the code? Like the perimeter. Oh, I nearly forgot an important step. Before we continue with the main interior, we gotta make another integer with the perimeter of the triangle, which is into A, B, and into and integer C. I'm making so many mistakes tonight, but silly me. Equal free a Alright, that's set up. Now we can get to the actual math portion of this. setting sets. This will set up the location that the sum of the edges A and B must be bigger than C. While A, B is greater than C. Sorry about that. Just gonna have to mute my mic for a second. Sorry, your input is invalid. And gonna go ahead and just kind of make this whole thing sin clear, and I'm actually gonna do something a little extra. I am going to add some stuff that will make it clear to, whoever's looking at this, that they are able to enter their inputs again. I just thought it'd be a nice little thing to do. Excuse me. Alright, now that we've got that set up, now we put down the code prints. Now we put down the code that shows the user's put if it was done correctly. Put is valid. Out your is oh, whoops, my bad. B, C, yeah. Alright, and return 0. Okay, seems to be a little issue. It says that the integer for the premier triangle is identified. Ah, it's because I left an L in front of the thing. Alright. So, what's the example for this given on... Okay, for this example, we're going to say 2 normal, well, for the normal input, we're going to put 2, 3, 4. Congrats, your input is invalid, everything's added, and you have a parameter of 27. Now, if we put our input wrong, 2, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4. Oh, whoops, wrong one. 2, 3. 6. Now we have to put our input. Well, we have to put back in our input. But now it's working. Alright, that's problem 2.1. On to the next problem. And like I said, for full transparency's sake, I am referring to my assignment, like, my previous code I've created for this assignment, if need be. And when I do that, I'll let you know. Now this one is going to be a bit tricky because honestly, I wasn't able to actually get this coding assignment done before then. Well, I'll see how far I'll get here. Let's see. First, if that's the issue. First, we're gonna make a int. Since we're dealing with the first starts, first we will make a circle. Since this is a geometry, because we have to check if two circles overlap or are in each other, and so on and so forth. Circle 1, 1 into each integer x2, x2, y2, integer r1, integer r2. Let's see. I'm gonna make a little bracket here. Integer for the distance squared. Let's see, x1. And like I said, for clarity's sake, I am referring to my code for this. But like I said, the code was a bit incomplete, so who knows? We could be able to fix it during this very broadcast. Or not, I'll let you know either way. Now, time for some if statements, it is. To R1, this will basically check if the distance squared with the radius 2, if the second circle is inside the first circle and they're touching. 1, first circle, and they're touching. Else if distance squared plus the radius of the second circle is less than the radius of the first circle. No, more than the radius of the first circle. No, less. Yes. Second, sign the first, and they're not touching. Alright, and now that we set up our circle, and we'll go back to it in case we run into any issues. Actually, speaking of which, expected a declaration. Function definition of circle not found. We'll get back to that. Okay. So, get rid of this. We put down the ability to put in your own x's, y's, and r's for the two circles. First off, x1, making all the integers by themselves. R1, integer, x2, 2. R1, R2, C out, enter your center. That's for the circle. And then we have this, put down the code for it to be able to print out those. Out, and then on the code, enter your center coordinates. It's for the second circle. And if something pops up, I'll look at it. And then we put down the code that'll let you enter of your two circles. R2. And then finally put down the circle. And everything that belongs to it. No issues found. We'll see about that. Oh look, an issue is found. Alright. Initializing conversion from double to int, integer, possible loss. Circle must return a value. I wonder, could we potentially cheat at this? Actually, what if I just play? We'll see if this works. No, it doesn't. I'm not going to try to waste too much time on this, because if I'm just not able to get it, I'm not able to get it, but I'll try to figure this out. Okay, so let me see. Okay, so the return 0 was a good thing to have. Let's see. Uninitialized local variable y1 used. So I honestly might just give all the integers their own. Unless, I'll do it both ways. First, I'll start by doing it like this, and probably going ahead and doing it for the y's and y2 and r2 as well. Just cover all my bases on this. Alright. Using uninitialized memory, y1. How is it not uninitialized? I'll figure it out. Hmm. Actually, what if I do 4? No, that doesn't make sense. Unless... Okay, so that doesn't seem to work. Alright. Conversion from double to integer, possible loss of data. What if I make this a void? That wouldn't work because... Cannot overload functions distinguished by a lone type alone. Actually, what if... Let's see if it works. It does not. Okay. Okay. How do I make this work? Might spend like 10 more minutes on this before I move on, because I do want to keep this rolling. Hmm. Identifier I, it's not even part of anything. It's literally part of the integer. How's that happen? What if I just get rid of all the crap in this circle? Just leave it blank. What's it gonna look like then? Let's see. Expected a decoration. I'm trying to figure this out. How is that wrong? I wonder. X1, X2, 2, Y1, Y2. Let's see. I doubt this will work, but it's worth a shot. Hmm. Hmm. How is this unidentified? Okay. Hmm. Wait, what? Sorry, I just. Okay, that was weird. Hmm. Hmm. Is there something else I can do? Hmm. Ah, there's my mistake. Again, the code is still a mess, but like it's better than nothing. Let's see. Too many arguments. Function call. Hmm. 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 I'm honestly not sure how to continue. I'll just kind of have to come back to this one another time. I got the recorded two other problems, so let's just continue. I'll try to get back to this one another time. Maybe on my own or something. But anyways, let's get to the third problem of the evening, which is displaying all the leap years. Alright, so what the assignment says, we have to, oh, 1 second. We have to write a program that displays all the leap years, 10 per line, in the 21st century from 2001 to 2100, separated by exactly one space. Alright, so I have like code I could use a reference here. I'm gonna go ahead and get started. Using namespace std. First, we're putting down first we put down the equation. It's loop that will make this program possible. And I am using like a previous bit of code as reference for this, just to let you know. Alright. Now I'm going to start with our first loop out of all this. Else, make another one of these bad boys. Sing out. And basically this will kind of cut off the years by auto loop years by 10. By 10, so that way, you know, we can have exactly 10 loop years all in one line. Make it look nice. Alright, let's see if this works. Ah, missing some years. Let me get on that. Let's see. That's strange. I'm working on it. The code is working. Huh. Okay. Maybe this is the issue. Ah, there we go. I forgot to add an equal to the loop with the -1. It made like a +1. There it is. All four numbers. All the leap years. All in rows of 10 except for our last one. Alright. Now, on to the final problem of the evening, which is, not gonna lie, it is a pretty big toughie. But I can try to figure it out. And, okay, just to kind of remind you what it is. I have to write a program that prompts the user to enter the year and first day of the year and displays the first day of each year in the year on the console. For example, if the user entered the year 2014 and 2 for Tuesday, January 1st, the program should display the following. January 1st is Tuesday, blah blah blah, you know. And I do have code that is kind of references this stuff, but it is my own code. I am trying to work on getting this done. Because it is honestly a bit incomplete. But we'll see how far we go. And if I don't get it, that's fine, but if I do, that's great. Alright. First, we're going to start by we will make a big loop that will determine the day of the week shown by the selected number. Let's see. Into it. Name. If integer a equal 1. That would give me C out of Monday. Alright, I'm going to do the same for Tuesday. Alright. And it's just kind of some box standard code input. Alright. For I put the like semicolon on the wrong thing. Silly me. Out. If six Saturday if alright integer a equal 7. Let's print out. Alright, and now we're gonna have to put in a special thing that in case our code counts above Sunday, we can count for start to that. Excuse me. But a bit of a long day for me. Okay. And the important thing is here, we do put a return, but instead of return 0, we put return A. I'll explain why later. And now, on to the actual code for this. We will insert our pass and year as integers, along with letting us in put the pass and the year. Actually, yeah, I should probably delete that. to your year. And all right, and I put a thing for the year. Oh, I put year instead of year. My bad. See out. First day of the year. Year. Please use answer. Son, that's where we let you put the pass. And now, one second. Sorry about that, I had to sneeze. Alright, next we're going to. This is where we put all the integers that sent the numbers of days each month. So we don't have to to the numbers. All right, first year. Huh, that's strange. Ah. In March 31st. June. This is kind of a boring part of the coding process. Just kind of bear with me. Alrighty, now we put in the code for. Huh, that's strange. Now we put in the code for R. Loops to get these. Each month. Out. First is Jan And this will let the code kind of progress past the simple loop it's in. Let's see. Equal 1. And this should allow the code to progress along and give each new thing its digits. You know, each month its day, but it doesn't. We'll get to that. Hmm. I don't know. A equal 1. It's just going to be a lot of repeating code, so A equal. I think what I might do is once I fully type out this one, I'm going to copy paste it. Hmm. 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 Let's see if. Alright, I'm gonna copy paste this 10 more times and kind of make adjustments as I need to. So 1 second. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's see. Alright, so this is just gonna be some quiet little cleanup. Excuse me. June, July. August. I'm gonna make this August. Alright. Oh, damn. November. Let's see, I must have missed one. Ah, yeah. Whoops, the daisy. Let's see, Olga. Alright, now that I got all that done, I'm going to return 0. Save, and I'm gonna try to run the code. Alright, it's my year, 2018, first day. Okay, so you see the problem, right? It only gives me 1 and Monday. I think I might have to put in a continue statement somewhere along here. Hmm. Continue. Let's see. What if I put a continue there? This is just going to be a little bit testing. Obviously not there. Actually, what if I put it right here? Or not? Huh. I'm figuring this out. Continue statement may only be used in a loop. Thought this was a loop. Actually, I wonder. Oh, I wonder. 18. No. Okay, that isn't working. Give me a second. I'm working on this. My thing's still recording. Yeah, it's still recording. That's good. Hmm. Wonder. Just bear with me as I try to mess around a bit so I can try to get this stuff to actually progress. 1. Oh, here we go. I think I found it. Well, kind of. At least, I might have potentially found it. But let's continue. Alright, so here, put down a continue. And let's try this for March. And April, May, June, July. Actually, you know what? Why not? Let's start on August as well. And now let's strike out the rest of the stuff for the moment. Let's see. Ah, here we go. Alright, so I think I found it. Give me a second to continue. It may not be the prettiest code, but hey, it's working. It's doing its job. Let's see. 2-year. Huh. 9. That's strange. Let me look at the 9 real quick. I don't see anything that's out of the ordinary. Oh, wait. No, I don't want to save it yet. Let's see. 15. Huh. That's strange. Wait a minute. 9. Why is September 9? Maybe I messed up on the input of 9. Let me check. Oh, I think I know what I gotta do. Nope, wrong. Or not? I'm trying to remember to... Maybe I'm supposed to put it right here? No. No. Okay, that's interesting. I got out a specific thing. The county code here for that issue? No, it wouldn't. Okay, I'm trying to figure this out. Alright, what is it about September that's tripping everything up? I don't see anything out of the ordinary. Let's see. Maybe it only does this with like 018, 2, 9. Huh. Seven. Strange. Again, for 7, it should continue from just 1. Strange indeed. I wonder. Oh, wait, that might not work. We'll find out. Hmm. 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 No, it doesn't change anything for the daytime integers. I'm trying to figure that out. Hmm. Okay. I. Hmm. I'm honestly not sure how to go about this. I. Hmm. I think I might have to call it because it is getting pretty close to late, and I am doing this assignment a bit late, sadly, so I might have to just call the assignment here. Luckily, excuse me, I got everything done, and you see the results. Even if it is a bit scruffed. So, what is up with it? Maybe I put the continue in the wrong place? Maybe it's not supposed to have a continue. Actually, yeah, why don't I try that? Huh. Strange. Hmm. Hmm. I... Yeah, I'm not sure how else I can progress here. So I just kind of want to, I want to apologize for this week's assignment being a bit scruffed. I promise next week's will be better. I'll spend more time on it, try to, get everything done for it, and try to record a video earlier because, oof, it isn't a good time. Anyways, I hope you have a good week. I will see you next week, Professor Liu Liang, if I said that right. Hope you have a good night. Bye.